Welcome. This short video reviews how to add patients in the Washington State Immunization Information System, also called the IIS. Most patients born in Washington State already have records in the system because birth records are uploaded regularly. But it's easy to add adults and children who are not already in the system when needed. Before adding a patient, you must first log into the system. The patient search screen will appear once you are logged in. If this screen does not appear, click Patient in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and then select Search Ad. The system requires you to search before you can add a new patient. This helps ensure you do not add another record for a patient who is already in the system. If you do not find a patient by entering their full first name, last name, and birth date, you may want to try using only the first initial of the patient's first name or last name and their birth date to generate a wider search before adding a new patient to the system. A short training video is available that provides more information on how to search for patients if you would like to learn more. If you do not find the patient after trying multiple searches, it's time to add a new patient to the system. Begin by checking the Check Here if adding a new patient box. Once you select this checkbox, some of the search fields will change to red, indicating that you must fill them in. Enter all of the required information and then click the Search button. Let's add a new patient now. Now that we have entered all of the required information, we can click the Search button. After selecting the Search button, a pop-up will display the warning message. Before adding, make sure the patient you want to add is not listed in the patient search results. Click OK to close the pop-up message. Review any patients listed under the patient search results. If there are no patients displayed or no matching patients exist, click the Add Patient button to continue. Next, you will need to enter additional information on the Patient Demographics Edit screen. Start by selecting the patient's sex from the drop-down. In the Address section, verify the patient's address is entered correctly and then click the Add button. Click OK to the pop-up that says the address will be marked as the patient's primary address. Next, under the Family and Contacts section, click the Add button to add a guardian. This information is required for all patients under age 18. Enter any additional patient demographic information, such as a phone number, and click the Save button. The new patient will be added to the system and the patient's demographics will be displayed on your screen. If you would like to learn how to add vaccines to a patient's record, a short training video is available that covers this topic. Thank you for watching the video on adding a new patient to the Washington State Immunization Information System. For additional training resources or assistance, please visit the IIS Training Materials portal at www.doh.wa.gov/training IIS or contact the IIS Help Desk.